Hi, I'm Kate,
And I'm Lauren.
and this is our video on the Intro to Computers. A computer is a general-purpose device that can be programmed to carry out a set of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Computers can solve more than one type of problem because a sequence of operations can readily be changed. The first use of the word computer was in 1613 to define a person who carried out calculations. Computers were originally created to simply compute.
There were many early devices similar to the computer. The abacus, the astrolabe, and the slide rule were three important ones. The abacus was invented for arithmetic tasks, and many other forms have later been invented. The astrolabe was made in the Hellenistic world and is capable of working out several different kinds of problems in spherical astronomy. The slide rule is a hand-operated analog computer, and it's used for multiplication and division. It was introduced shortly after the publication of the concept of logarithms. There are many important people in the computer world. Charles Babbage is one of them. He is the father of the computer, and he is a polymath, who is a person whose expertise spans a significant number of different subject areas. He created the difference in the analytical engines. The difference engine was made to compute values of polynomial functions, while the analytical engine was made during the transition from mechanized arithmetic to fully fledged general-purpose computation. He only designed these devices. His son later built them.
Ada Lovelace is a mathematician and writer known for her work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine. She recognized the first algorithm to be on machines. She's also the world's first computer programmer. Alan Turing is the father of computer science. He formalized the concepts of algorithm and computation with the Turing machine in 1936. The Turing machine was a model general-purpose computer. During World War II, he devised multiple techniques to break German ciphers using the Turing machine.
Grace Hopper was one of the first programmers of the Harvard Mark I. She also developed the first compiler for computer programming language. Hopper coined the term debugging when an actual moth was stuck in her computer relay and her computer stopped working.
There are many differences between hardware and software. Hardware is the physical components of the computer. Software is a collection of code installed onto a hard drive. Software is the non-tangible components of the computer.
The main computer hardware components are the hard drive, RAM, and the CPU. The hard drive is the main storage area of the computer. The RAM is commonly known as memory and holds computer code, and the CPU does nearly all the calculating and is the main microchip in the computer. Operating systems are software that manages computer hardware. There's Mac, Windows, and Linux. The Macs are designed to be easier to use than Windows, and Linux is an open source, meaning that anyone can change the code, resulting in many different versions. Supercomputers have been made recently. They are at the front line of contemporary processing capacity. Seymour Gray created the first in 1960. China's Donohue 2 is the fastest in the world at 33.86 quadrillion floating points operating per second.
Thanks for watching!